Friends, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. This is my second video lecture on the poem My Grandmother's House, composed by Kamala Das. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 2nd English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. The topics of my today's video lecture are setting of the poem, my grandmother's house, and then the explanation of the text. Kamala Das' poem entitled My Grandmother's House is a reminiscent poem. The poetess recalls the house where she used to live with her grandmother in her childhood. She was then a very small child. Her grandmother was very fond of her. Kamala Das received great love from her grandmother. The poem offers a striking contrast between Kamala Das' childhood days and her present life as a grown-up woman. As a little girl, too young to read, Kamala Das enjoyed her grandmother's love. Now she gets no love from anybody. Therefore, she feels as if she had lost her way in life. Her sense of loss is deep and intense. Her feeling of deprivation is so great that she seeks love from strangers like a beggar asking for alms at the houses of people whom she doesn't even know. Thus, we have here a poem expressing the author's sense of deprivation and her feeling of utter hopelessness. Now I read the lines for you. How often I think of going there to peer through blind eyes of the windows, or just listen to the frozen air, or in wild despair pick an armful of darkness to bring it here to lie behind my bedroom door like a brooding dog. Now I explain you the meaning of the particular words and phrases. How often? How often means very often. To peer. To peer means to peep. Blind eyes of windows means the colored food veins, panes and curtains of the window. It means the closed windows through which one cannot see anything clearly. Despair. Despair means a deep feeling of disappointment. Frozen air means cold air of the place outside. Armful means quantity that can be carried by one on both arms. A brooding dog means a watchful dog who is a very sentinel. Now, first of all, I tell you the reference to the context of these lines. These lines have been taken from the poem My Grandmother's House, composed by Kamala Das. She is one of the most popular Indo-Anglian poets. She writes both in her mother tongue Malayalam and English. In this poem, she goes down the memory lane. She fondly remembers her grandmother's house in Malabar, where she spent her happy childhood days in the loving care of her grandmother. Thus, the family home is associated with her doting grandmother. Now I explain you these lines. The poetess recalls the memory of her childhood days where she lived with her grandmother in Malabar. The grandmother showered all her love and affection on the young child. She portrays the happy, carefree days of her childhood. Now her grandmother is no more. The death of her grandmother leaves the poetess a deep impact of melancholy and pathos. So here she says, how often I think of going there. So very often now she thinks to visit the house of her grandmother, to peer through blind eyes of windows, and she wants to peep into the windows which have colored curtains or panes, which are closed now as nobody lives there, but she is unable to peep into the house as the windows are totally closed. Just listen to the frozen air. Her grandmother's death has rendered her desolate and sorrow-stricken. She wants to listen to the frozen air of the house. She will fail to see or know anything about it because it is dark inside. Pick an armful of darkness to bring it here. So in great despair, in the state of disappointment, the poetess will pick a little darkness and bring it with her to lie behind my bedroom door like a brooding dog. It means she wants to bring that air with her, and with this darkness she would lie behind her bedroom like a brooding dog. She means to say she will like to pick a bit of the darkness of that house and take it to her present house, where it may lie behind her bedroom like a dog which is watchful sentinel. Simile, like a brooding dog, is very appreciative. A dog is a trusted animal which safeguards the house and its inmates from all dangers. So the poetess wants to take a bit of darkness of her grandmother's house for her security. So in these lines, the poetess often thinks of going to her grandmother's house. She would like to see through the blind eyes of the windows, but she would not see anything. She may just listen through the air. She will fail to see or know anything about it because it is dark inside. In despair, she will pick a little darkness and bring it with her, and with this darkness she would lie behind her bedroom door like a brooding dog. So students, this was my second video lecture on the explanation of the poem My Grandmother's House, composed by Kamala Das. Thank you for listening to my presentation. In the next video lecture, I will explain you the remaining part of the poem. Thank you.